Jupyter Notebook not saving, _XSRF argument missing from post. I've been running a script on Jupyter Notebooks for about 26 hours. I haven't really been using my computer for anything else, but it needs to run this program that will take 30 hours to complete. At about 21 hours in, it stopped saving and my terminal had this. Where, file.ipen, is the location of my Jupyter Notebook. It also says, in the top right part of the notebook again. The program is still running and I don't want to restart Jupyter Notebook and have to run the program again, as I have a deadline. Is there anything else I can do? I'm using Google Chrome, but I don't have the LastPass extension or any %characters in my code, as another post suggested. Thanks for any help.
The easiest way I found is this URL. Just open another, non-running, existing, notebook on the same kernel, and the issue is magically gone. You can again save the notebooks that were previously showing the _XSRF error. If you have already closed the Jupyter homepage, you can find a link to it on the terminal from which Jupyter was started.
The solution I came across seems too simple, but it worked. Go to the /tree aka Jupyter homepage and refresh the browser. Worked.
The only solution worked for me was, I opened a new tab in Chrome, I pasted this URL, then I went to my original notebook and I was able to save it.
I use Jupyter Notebooks daily and had never experienced this issue before. Until today. I had the notebook open all day but it wasn't running anything and then for no apparent reason stopped auto-saving with the _XSRF argument missing from post error message in the top right. FYI, this is a Python 3 notebook. I don't know the cause of this problem but I have recently upgraded my Python 3 version to 3.7.2 and upgraded all of my site packages to their latest version as of a few days ago, which could possibly be the cause. As for solution, as suggested in the comment by @AlexGay, I opened the same notebook in a new window, different browser in fact, using and the terminal to get the URL with login token. This resulted in me having the notebook open and savable again, but the information I had entered since the last successful autosave was missing. Thankfully, my broken instance was still open and working apart from saving, so I was able to simply copy and paste the information across then hit save. So, keep the broken instance open if you try this.
Simply refreshing the tree tab worked for me.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.